Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the same object utilizing primitives. And this is kind of the way the curriculum has it written. So this is going to be the method that we'll show. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start a new design file to get us going. And in order to do this, I'm going to go ahead and say new component. And we'll call this dimensioning object 2. And go ahead and say OK. And here I'm going to go ahead and activate, I'm going to go ahead and create a box and choose the front work plane from the corner. This is going to be a 3 by 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a 1.5 extrusion depth and say OK. Okay, so as far as this goes, I'm going to go back up to activate the top assembly, and I'm going to go ahead and go create, and I'm going to go box, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the face of the shape that I previously made. I'm going to first start off with the 2 by 2 cut through, hit enter. I'm going to drag this shape back into there. So this is going to be a negative 0.75. And I'm going to say OK. And then as I go along, again, my activation is still on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say box again. And then this time I'm going to choose this inside face here from this corner. This is going to be a 1 by 1. As I cut through, negative 0.75. And I'm going to go ahead and cut through to the very end, and I'm going to say OK. Okay, so this is just another way to go through and create the object. So you'll see this goes through and has very similar manner. We start off with making the component, and then we have our first primitive, second primitive, and third primitive that you can go through and see. So if you press the play button, you'll be able to see kind of the sequencing of how that happens. But other than that, that is really kind of, from there, it would be the same exact process to get the drawing. So you just bring in the object and everything, just another method of how to create different objects in Fusion and be able to show that.